Respected teachers and dear friends, good evening all of you. Today's date is 25th of April 2022. Our today's video topic is difference between constructor and method in Java. My name is Dinesh and this is the original video on this topic. Java basically follows the OOPS concept. So everything in Java like objects, data, variables, statements must be in the classes, and that classes have different number of constructors and methods. So let's understand what are the constructors and what are the methods. The constructor is basically a block of code which is similar to a method. It is used to initialize the state of an object. Constructors have also statements like methods include. Whenever an object is created of any class, there is at least one constructor is invoked at the time of compilation. And there, if any constructor is not available in your class, the JVM will automatically create a default constructor with no arguments or no parameters. So when constructor is created and default values to the class variables is given to the variables. So let's understand what is methods. Method is basically same block of code which is used to specific do a specific task on the different logic. Means it is used to execute a block of code on the basis of some defined parameters, and it can return to the user or it cannot return to the user. It is depend on the user. Methods are basically same as a constructor, but only difference is that it has a return type. It must have return type. So let's understand the basic differences points on the constructors and methods. Constructors are used to initialize a state of an object or used to give default values to the class variables at the time of object creation, whereas a method is used to expose the behavior of an object or used to execute the block of codes in a specific order. A constructor must have a same name as that of a class name, whereas method can have a different any name. Constructors can be used with a public or a private or protected access modifier. Method can also be used with the access modifiers like public, private, protected. Constructors cannot be final, whereas method can be final. We cannot use a final constructor. Method can be final, but only condition is that method cannot be overridden by any another class. The next point is constructor cannot have an abstract or a final or a synchronized. Method can be final, can be abstract. So the next point is constructor implemented by the system. Means constructors are invoked by the JVM internally, but methods are not invoked by the JVM. The user can invoke any method from its object. A constructor, it is basically used to pass the parameters from one class to the another class, whereas a method is basically used to perform a certain operations with the use of some statements. Constructors can constructors are having two types, which is first is parameterized constructor and second is non-parameterized constructors. Methods can have number of types like return type, with no return type, with certain types of return type, with parameterized, with non-parameterized. Methods can have different types. The next point is constructors are implicit or what invoked at the time of object creation, whereas methods are invoked when the user only calls it from its object. So this is about the constructor and method difference in Java. Thank you so much.